Welcome to Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Thank you for visiting our website. My name is Rhino, and today I'm going to be showing you this 2020 Kia Soul SUV. White in color, obviously. Alloy wheels. This is an S model. Comes with your power locks, your windows, your cruise control, tilt wheel, hands-free device, lane departure, blind spot monitoring, automatic shutoff, traction control. Lots of trunk space, comfy interior with a ton of headroom. More space in this thing than you think there is. Vehicle has 37,268 miles on it. Reverse camera, nice big screen, AC. Thank you for watching our video on this 2020 Kia Soul Type S. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call here at the dealership at 808-334-1111. My name is Rhino. Please ask for me. I'll be able to help you out on this or any other car. Thank you very much. Have a great day.